Hey guys, so do I look any different today? Nobody said anything, but all last week I was getting by with wearing about like $30 worth of makeup, but nobody noticed. Or you guys were too nice to say something. So anyway, check out on Monday, I'm spending $100 at Walmart for everything makeup and skincare related. And I'm living off of it for a week, so check that out. All the episodes will go up on Monday. So anyway, I was just interested. Nobody noticed that I looked a little different. So maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. And nobody noticed my countertop was drastically different either. It's getting back to the old way now pretty quickly. But anyway, I just want to organize and make it a little better. So anyway, so today I thought I would do a review of the Sephora's Sun Safety Set or Kit this year. I wasn't going to pick it up, and then I was at the store doing a bit of shopping, and I noticed that up to $1 million goes to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Institute, which I know they were active in researching the type of cancer my mom had, so I saw that. I'm like, well, I got to buy it. Most of it goes to research and charity. So anyway, so I picked it up, and I thought I would do a quick review of it. If you're new into trying to find a good sunscreen for yourself. It's a nice set. This year, I had almost everything they already had in it, with the exception of a couple things. And they also came out with their Summer Sun on the Fly, which I also picked up. If you're debating the two, I really like the Summer Sun on the Fly, and I had to mention the cutest thing in here was this little version of the Volition Beauty Prismatic Luminizing Shield. It's so cute, and it's like a little baby. How cute are they together? And it's a really good one. So if you're wanting to try it, this is a good set to pick it up to try it. But they're so cute together, aren't they? That's kind of what got me, is how cute this little guy was. But let me kind of unbox or unopen the Summer Sun on the Fly set. It also comes with the Super Goop Mineral Matte Sunscreen, which I really like. I've had a sample of it before. I've never got the full size. So this is also a nice sunscreen to try if you're looking for a good mineral sunscreen. That's also a good one. So let's see, there's a couple other things in here. They've got a nice fresh lippy, not full size, but pretty close to full size. So that's a good one. I really like this version of it. Anyway, so that's also in there. It's got a little sun bum bum cream. Why did I say sun? Sol de Janeiro bum bum cream. I don't know. It's a lotion. It smells good. Anyway, so that's in there as well. There's also a little watermelon glow pink juice from Glow Recipes also in there. So if you haven't had a chance to try it yet, this is a nice little container to get to try it out in. And also a full size of the Isle of Paradise Tanner, Self Tanner in the light shade. And so that's the full size in there. And the whole set costs $25. And I think the full size of this costs that alone. So if you're thinking about picking that up, it's well worth it to get the kit. So anyway, I think that was all that was in that one. So, and then I'm going to show you guys the Sun Safety Kit. God, it's so cute. I don't know. Reminds me of Gizmo. He's so cute. Okay, so the Summer Sun Safety Kit, which up to $1 million goes to cancer research, or $25 from every set. They've got this, I think, has been in there every single year that I bought it. I think I have like 7 of these guys. It's a good one. It's pretty moisturizing. So if you have dry skin, you'll like it. If you have oily skin, probably not so much. It's got the Kula spray, setting spray, which I've always had problems with these little samples of it because the spray thing never works right, but whatever. I'm not going to worry too much. A little tiny thing of the Cicapair Tiger Grass Correcting Treatment, which has sunscreen SPF 30 in it. So it works pretty good. It has some little bit of fragrance in there, but overall I like it more than I don't like it. So that's also in there. And then a bigger size of the Super Goop Every Single Day Sunscreen, which is a good one. Not a huge fan of the jar packaging, of the full size, and the sample size comes in one as well, but overall it's decent. Let's see what else is in here. This one also is in there like every year, which I really dislike. A lot of people like it. Probably better for oily skin, but it's super silicone-y texture to it. And for me, if you're applying over a lot of layers, it tends to pill a little bit. But if you don't have to apply 10 layers of moisturizer, you'll probably like it a little bit more. And then this is also in here, which is also really cute. although it's not the best sunscreen. Another Kula. It's the little baby version of this guy. So if you've been wanting to try this, you can get the little version in it. They're cute together too. I wish it was better, but oh well. You know what? You can't win them all. But it's cute. Little baby. This is one I haven't tried yet. The Dr. Dennis Gross Dark Spot Sun Defense. So that one I'm excited to try. I have not tried that one yet. So very excited about that. Looks to be a pretty good formula. So we're going to give it a whirl. And then the Origins Perfect World SPF 40. I know I've probably got 10 of these. I'm not sure if I've tried it yet or not. I just can't vividly remember. But Origins is super hit or miss for me. So we'll see. And then this one's also in here. I'm almost scared to apply it to my face because I think denatured alcohol is like the second ingredient in here. And Lancome sunscreens for me are usually miss. There might have been one hit in there previously. But anyway, so if you're going to pick that up, just be careful with it because it's got a lot of alcohol in it. So anyway, three more things. The Drunk Elephant Umbra Tint. That's a good one for dry skin. Gives you a tint finish. It's pretty tinted. It's 20% zinc oxide, which is not a small amount of zinc, but it doesn't really have a white cast because it's tinted, but pretty moisturizing. So if you have very, very oily skin, you'll probably not like that. But you know what? If you get a little small size, it's worth giving a shot too. And then the Shiseido SPF 50. Shiseido generally makes pretty good sunscreens. So I know they've got a new beauty balm that came out. And I'm thinking about picking it up. I probably will, but it does have some fragrance in there. So we'll see. And then a little fresh rose lippy. So they've done a nice job. I like the fact that a lot of it goes to cancer research, which is a good thing. Anyway, so those are kind of my initial thoughts. Obviously, I've tried most of them in there. There's a few I haven't tried, so I'm excited to give them a whirl. And then I also want to mention one thing. I know it's not online anymore, but I mentioned it in my Sephora sale picks. The Pharmacy Green Screen. I guess it's not online at Sephora anymore because I've heard Pharmacy Beauty is going to stop making it. So if I saw it in store, they had like 6 of them yesterday. So if you're thinking about picking it up or want to try it, I think if you go into the store, it might be your last chance to get a shot at it. So might be worth getting it on sale if you can. I really like it. I don't know what the whole story is. Perhaps they're going to be making, I'm guessing they're going to be making a new sunscreen, and that's why they're discontinuing this one. Pharmacy has kind of been rebranding, kind of bringing some new things out that I picked up, and a new thing came out today, a CBD cream, which I picked up. But they're kind of phasing things out and bringing new things in. So if you like it or haven't tried it, I really like it. But it might be one of your last chances to get it. Or we'll end up seeing it at TJ Maxx for $5. I'm not sure. You never really know. So I wish I would have picked up more Skin Fix when I saw it. So anyway, those are some of my quick things for today, or not so quick. Check out tomorrow and definitely check out Monday. It's going to be interesting for all of us. So thank you guys so much.